Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 2 points and we are supposed to find their length. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. So this one will be my x1, y1, x2, y2, so that I will be able to find the length using this formula. So all I have to do is just to apply this formula neatly. -3 minus 5 bracket square plus 7 minus 2 bracket square to give me, this one actually will give me square root 89, which will then be 9.43398 to 6 significant figures. Final answer 3 sig fig. Alright, so it will be 9.43 units. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video or this part of the problem where we are given 2 points, and for part A is relatively straightforward. Because given 2 points, we just need to find the gradient. And the gradient formula states that it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we just have to apply neatly, okay? So if I zoom in, this will be my x1, y1, x2, y2. So I could then just simply write it down here. -2 minus 4, 5 minus 7. And this will give me a value of 3. So the answer is 3. Gradient is 3. Next, this is an important clue. This means that the gradient of AC, BC, and AB are the same since they lie on the same straight line. And using that, right, since I already know the gradient of AB, I would just need either the gradient of AC or BC to make a comparison. Okay, so I'm going to make use of AC. So gradient of AC then is equals to, so I'm going to just write it at the side, okay? So that it's easier for everybody to see. This will be my point C, and my point A is 7, 4. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Then you will have k minus 4 over 1 minus 7. And this will give me k minus 4 over -6. And after which comes the thing, the gradients are all the same. So from here, my next line would then be k minus 4, this gradient is equals to 3. Because that is the gradient of AB, which we have found in part A. Then we just need to solve this equation. Multiply -6 on both sides. Then as we continue to solve, we just need to plus 4 on both sides. And we will eventually get the answer for K, negative 14. And we have come to the end of this particular problem. So let's continue to move to the next problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given a diagram of a straight line CD. Coordinates of point C is given, negative 10, 0. Point D intercepts the y-axis at y equals to 5. What is the coordinates of D? So when I zoom in right, coordinates of D is pretty straightforward, isn't it? X is 0, y is 5. Done. Then we are next supposed to find the equation of this line y equals CD. So step 1 is always very straightforward. Every time we find an equation, we must know the gradient. So y1 minus y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case here, I would probably go with 5 minus 0 over 0 minus negative 10. This will give me a value of 0.5. And once I have that right, I also saw that this happens to be my y-intercept for the line CD. So if I have this gradient, y equals to mx plus c, gradient is this number, y-intercept is this number, I would then be able to write my final answer out. And that will be the answer for this question. And we have come to the end of this particular problem then. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given this diagram and points A, B, C are plotted. Find the equation of the line AC. So step 1 will then be to find the gradient. So let me zoom in. Point A from the graph will be negative 2 and negative 2. Point C from the graph, x is 2, y is 3. And with that, I will then be able to find my equation of the line. Okay, step 1, find the gradient. y2 minus y1, so minus 2 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 2. This will give me 5 over 4. Step 2, substitute the gradient and one of the point. So in this case, I'm going to substitute C, point C, because all are positive values, into y equals to mx plus c. This will allow us to find our C. Okay, so I'm going to, so 3. Y now is 3 because this one is my x and y. 3 equals to 5 over 4 multiplied by 2 plus C. So from here, I can then find the value of C easily. Therefore, C will be 1/2. And with this two value, I can then write out the equation of the line. Y is equals to 5/4 x plus half. For part B, the line BC is a vertical line, and for vertical line start with the letter X, and since every point on this line is at x equals to 2, so x equals to 2 is this equation of the line. And to find the area of this particular triangle, again, from here to here is 4 units. From here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So area is simply half times base times height. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.